Welcome to CSONS at Home. We're on week 31. We've got American this week, so we're going with some chicken wings, with some barbecue sauce, some sort of marinated squash, bit of chilli marinated squash, some apple and swede slaw, some mayo and some of the microgreens. So I've got the oven on as hot as it's going to go because the time it takes us to glaze these thighs with the barbecue sauce, they're going to be good and hot. I'm guessing they're going to be about 5 to 6 minutes. But we'll save some of this barbecue sauce for the end as well. But for now, we'll just get a bit on each one. Okay, I'm just going to start it like that. Get it in the oven just for a couple of minutes and melt that down. Whilst that's going, we're going to make the slaw. So we'll empty our slaw with all our bits in. Some nice Swedes in there from Hare Hill. And some apples from my dad's allotment. And this is chipotle mayo. So a bit of a Tex-Mex vibe in the slaw, but it's all right. So it should end up looking something like that, which I think is quite a nice consistency. Give it a taste because it might want salt. Just a little bit. Okay, so the main reason I just warmed it up a little bit is because this is going to be coming straight out of the fridge and the sauce is going to be a bit too gloopy if you do it like that. So push all these to one side. Good old toss in that sauce that's kind of melted a little bit. Give them a good toss on one side of the pan. There we go. Just going to pop my squash in to finish in there as well. Okay, then back in the oven. Now that that's all over there, I think we can probably leave it about 5 to 10 minutes. Chicken's looking good. I reckon we've got about a minute left on that. Let's get the plates ready and we can go from there. Let's kind of see if I can just pile it up a little bit. See if I can get a bit of height on it. Let's get our chicken and our squash out, that is sizzling. Yeah, that's what we're looking for, just a little bit of blackness around the edges. Yeah, and take the squash and just let it leave. Something like this. Too much. You could just keep that separate and dip into it. And there's a little bit of freshness.